Assalamu alaikum. Today Saturday 12th September 2020. Today we are going to see a new lesson, a team of workers. Listen carefully and read with me. गौर से सुनिए और मेरे साथ साथ पढ़िए. All body parts stand together holding hands. All work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Mouth. Hands, come forward and tell us what you do. Hands. We lift, we hold, we carry, we give, and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We too are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't do. Mouth. Feet, come forward and tell us what you do. Feet. We walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip, we jump, we hop, we step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Mouth. Eyes, ears, nose. What about you? Eyes. We open, we close, we read, we blink, we see things far and near. Ears. And be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Nose. I breathe day and night, I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Mouth. Oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink, I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to the lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. All. That's right. The belly doesn't do any work. Belly. That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. Eyes. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Hands. The only work you do is to grab all good foods. Feet. You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All. We don't work for you. You won't get any food now. Belly. Don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. All. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 3 hours later. Belly. Please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others. No means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Belly. Please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others. Sorry. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 2 days later. Belly. How are you all my friends? Mouth. Oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet. We feel so weak. Eyes. We can't see properly. Ears and nose. We feel so tired. All. What's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Enter brain. Brain. You silly fellows. Now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. All. Could it be? Is it the belly? Brain. Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? All. Yes, now we know. This belly does a lot of work. Though he does not show it off. He does important work. All hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening. We are always at work. तो देखें आपने ये सबक बहुत ही अच्छा था कि इसमें ये सबक में बताया गया है कि जिस्म के तमाम अज़ा मुंह, हाथ, पैर, आँखें, नाक, वो सब जो पेट से कह रहे थे कि तुम तो कुछ भी काम नहीं करते हो, अब हम तुम्हें कोई भी खाना नहीं देंगे। तो क्या हुआ, उन्होंने 2 दिन तक खाना कुछ भी पेट को नहीं दिया। तो 2 दिन के बाद उन्हें जो है कमज़ोरी महसूस होने लगी और उनको बहुत ही वीकनेस लगने लगी। तो इतने में ब्रेन जो है, दिमाग आया और उसने कहा कि तुम लोग इतने बेवकूफ़ हो, आपको पता नहीं है कि आपको जो एनर्जी है, ताकत है, किससे मिलती थी? आपके पेट से। आप जो खाते हो पेट उसे डाइजेस्ट करता है और उससे एनर्जी आपको मिलती है। तो फिर सबकी समझ में आया कि नहीं, हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हम ही काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बेली जो है वो भी काम करता है और चुपके से सबके लिए काम करके और एनर्जी पहुंचाता है। और फिर जो है उन सब की बात समझ में आ गई और फिर सारे एक साथ अच्छे से फिर से दोस्त बन गए। ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है मालूम आज बच्चों, ये सबक जो है अ टीम ऑफ वर्कर्स, ये सबक आपको पूरा जो है एक बार पढ़ना है और लिखना है। ठीक है, चलिए, अल्लाह हाफिज़।